Hey YouTube, this is Kweku from Next Gen Windows, and I wanted to show you guys a cool program that I found that basically gives you an alternate file explorer for Windows 7, 8, and I'm pretty sure also Windows XP. I'm not sure yet. I have to check on the website. But it's a pretty cool file explorer. It's called Clover. Essentially, what you see here on the top of the file explorer is these bars that almost these tabs that look almost like Google Chrome's tabs, and that's essentially what it does. It allows you to pretty much have tabs on your file explorer rather than having to open a new window for every little thing or just overwrite what you were currently doing on that current window when you were managing your files and stuff on your drives. So as you can see here, I have this another folder here open, and then also I can also easily switch back to my computer or computer. This is obviously Windows 8, and what's cool about it is I found myself multiple times. I needed to have multiple tabs open. Say if I wanted to drag things to another folder that was way deep into something, I found myself having to constantly drag the file and then to the desktop and then drag it into the new folder. It wasn't so easy to just be able to drag it straight across. It was this is quicker. So I found myself wanting this program called Clover. Now Clover is made from the developer called EJI Technology. Excuse me if I say it wrong, but essentially it's a really good application. In fact, yes, it runs on Windows XP 7 and 8. So anyone with any of those, you can go ahead and use it. And what's cool about it again is you can see right now I'm in Google Chrome, so this looks almost identical to what Clover looks like. Let's go down. So you can see Clover, and then you can see Google Chrome, and you can see the toolbar on top looks pretty much identical. And that's really good because a lot of people, I've noticed, a lot of my friends, they do use Google Chrome, so using Clover would be pretty simple for them to use, and it's straightforward, and it doesn't completely overwrite your file explorer. You can still go back to using your old file explorer, but I personally never find the need to do so. Let's check out the settings in Clover, or basically your new file explorer. So when we check out the settings, sorry, I keep clicking on stuff. When we check out the settings, you can see you have new tab, which allows you to open a new tab, and it just opens up another My Computer window. It doesn't do anything special. And then you can also go to bookmarks. If you have any bookmarks, you can save them to here, and then you can go to settings, which I'll click on, and then here you can get themes. Just like Google Chrome, you can get themes, and then you got other settings here. You can import bookmarks from HTML, and then others, which is warn before quitting, and close all tabs and stuff like that. So basically, if you accidentally hit exit on the top right corner, if you check this off, it'll warn you saying, are you sure you want to quit, and close all tabs. That way you don't accidentally mistakenly lose a file that you wanted to keep up. So it's a really good, interesting thing to have. And another thing is, most people are probably wondering, how do I add things to the bookmark? Well, see, you can't actually right click and add things to the bookmark. All you do is click and then you drag. That's all you do. So again, I'll just say I wanted to add my DVD drive. You can just click and drag it to the top. You can see right here. Actually, I'm pretty sure I just got this wrong. You can't add the DVD drive, but your basic files and stuff like that. Say if I wanted to add my downloads, I can click and drag and put it up there. So you just can't add the DVD drive or external storage, probably because there won't always be stuff inside that drive, or there won't always be external storage that you have. So that's something you can't do. But essentially, most things you can add to that bookmarks bar, and it gives you easy access to each one. So if we wanted to go to drive C, we can go to drive C. We want to go back to this folder, we can go to this folder. We want to go to drive D, we can go to drive D. So it's a really interesting application. So I definitely highly suggest you guys check it out. It's actually free, so you can go to his website and you can download it right here. You can hit free download right here, and then it'll automatically download it, and then they just tell you that this Avira antivirus detects it as a false positive virus, even though it's not. So don't worry about it. Just disable it if it says it. So essentially, yeah, that's pretty much it. This has been a pretty cool application. I've been using it for quite some time, probably for about like maybe 2 or 3 months, and I've not seen myself wanting to use the old File Explorer. It doesn't completely overwrite your old File Explorer. You can see all the functions of your old File Explorer are still there. It just adds these two extra layers on it. As me, I have a 23-inch screen, so it makes it pretty easy to, manage everything. I still have plenty of space to work. Just because I lost these two bars doesn't mean much to me. But especially if you're a business user, again, if you're a business user, you'll probably like this because you can manage your files more effectively because you have multiple tabs open instead of multiple windows. So it's another useful thing for you guys. Yeah, this has been Kweku from Next Gen Windows, and this was Clover, the File Explorer replacement for Windows XP 7 and 8. You can go check it out on their website. I'll put the link below, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.